Hi, Assalamualaikum Gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you guys how I do this Warhammer Titan makeup look. This is the character from the anime Attack on Titan. So if you want to know how I do this look, then please keep on watching. First of all, I'm going to start with the eyebrow. So I'm taking this Elmer's Cool Glue stick and wet it with the face mist, and I rub it off all over my brow. And then I use the brow comb to flatten out my brow. I brush it upwards and make sure to press it. I repeat this step several times because my brows are so damn stubborn and so thick. Then I use the white eyeliner by Deborah Milano and sketch out the area where I'm gonna fill in with the red and white stripes later. Using a loose powder by Hope Girl, I cover any shine from the glue on my brows. Next, I take the Imagic Cosmetic face paint, and using the white color, I fill in the rest of my face except the area that I sketched earlier. I use the dry beauty sponge because I want to get the white color to be very pigmented. Then I lock the face paint using the same loose powder. I repeat this step several times because the white color doesn't really shine on the first layer. So I did it about 4 layers, I guess, until I satisfied with the intensity. Next, I use the red color from the same palette and fill in the negative areas. As you can see, the red color is so bright, so I don't want that. What I do is I take this dark red, which is the name Plum Galley, from La Macaroons Quintet palette. I lock the bright red color to make it more like flesh red. Using the same white face paint, I start to draw the white stripe. Now this is the part that I regret the most because the white color actually blend with the red background, so it creates the pink line. And because of that, I take the white eyeliner by Fenty Beauty. This is the code wet shirt, I guess, and I line it over the white face paint. To create shading, I take the black eyeshadow from Ucanbe Spotlight palette and add it just between the lines. Then I use the white face paint to add some highlights. For the lower part, I use a different method, which is I draw the lines one by one, and it is much better. The color much paid off. This one I just add the highlights. To clean up the edges, I draw the white line and blend it with the dry beauty sponge. And then that's it. this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Bye.